Dr. Badal Singh. I am working as a poultry nutritionist and consultant in India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka.
What are the primary challenges currently facing the industry in India?
Douglas, nowadays, not in India, in India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, only main challenges is the grain crisis and grain availability, and lot of the because of the some ethanol plants and different other industries are coming who are purchasing the grains. So scarcity of the grains, first things as a nutrient, and main challenge is the grain and main challenge is the cost of the feeds.
Regarding feed cost, what are your pieces of advices?
Nowadays, just like when we are start my career, that time the bird in broiler and layer both have the different scenario. That time the bird are ready in the 35, 30, 38 days. Not bird reaches the 2 kg body weight in the 33 days. The modernization, just like of the birds, as a nutrition, there are a lot of challenges for the how to control the cost. First thing and second thing, the how to improve the performance. The lot of raw material other than the uh, common raw material like maize and corn and soya, we are using the lot of the other sources with the help of the some enzymes, with the help of some other amino acids values, synthetic amino acid value to reduce the cost, and not only reduce the cost and increase the performance also. So my advice to how to improve the bird performance with the help of the low cost formulations is more important for the us, for the industries, for the future.